My name is Dominique Knowles, and I am a geographer with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, Kansas City District. So this is actually my first flood fight. I didn't really know what I was getting into, but my job would entail, making GIS deliverables. So if there's any kind of a map request or someone has a question about a particular levee, that's kind of where we would fall into. With the web application, the operations dashboard, that kind of changed everything, I think it changed how we flood fight because that's a one-stop shop of all the information that a person would be looking for. So the operations dashboard, it is a way to visualize data as well as you can use it for real-time analytics. So I created a basic web map that shows all of our levees, whether or not if they're fed or non-fed, as well as stationing and other stuff that they could possibly need out in the field. So that they can use their smartphone, turn on the GPS, and it'll show them where they're at in relation to the levee. While Survey 123 is more of a way for us to get data from the field to feed into the operations dashboard. I feel because a lot of us don't actually get out in the field, so we can kind of live vicariously through the field personnel, as they're updating, whether it's through Collector or Survey 123, stuff that they see, they take a picture, take a snapshot of it, and it gets sent directly to our operations dashboard, and we can actually view that in real time. So that's a good way for us to kind of see what's actually going on out in the field, and then of course follow it up with a phone call.